Okay. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna get a decent shot. There's the quarter wave. Quarter wave versus car wash. Oh goodness. Will I have an antenna after this? Still there. Same with the considerably longer FM broadcast antenna. Stainless steel. Wow. And of course there's the, that's not the factory antenna. It's a, well, it's identical to the factory antenna, but it's a replacement. The factory Toyota antenna is black. This is a stainless steel one, and it's still a real quarter wave for FM broadcast band, which is nice, because it does what it needs to do. It actually works really well.